So for my next mission, I was told to cover one of the grittiest man-machine connect stories. And so here I am in Coimbatore at the Indian National Rally Championship 2017.
This is the one of the best track of India.
So it was like home ground.
As a rider, हमें चलाने में भी मजा आता है ऐसे tracks पे.
If you don't know much about the sport, don't worry, because that is what we are going to sort of learn together.
Indian National Rally Championship is all about rallying. One should have a good scooter. Your riding skills should be best. As I have come from a background of dirt track racing, a motocross racing, then I am riding scooter. It is not easy. Riding a Group A bike and riding a scooter, I guess it is similar.
So what is a rally? Well, simply put, it is one of the most challenging, most demanding sport that tests both the man and the machine to its extreme. Dirt, mud, sand, gravel, expect the unexpected when it comes to the terrain.
I just completed the MRF Supercross last weekend. Now it's like a little gap, so I thought I'll just try doing a rally. And it's a rally bike, so it's heavier. Like the first time I rode it, I was like, can I really ride this?
Just to set things into perspective, the entire rally circuit is going to be about 170 kilometers long, out of which 70 is here in the wild, and it is divided in 2 stages. And this is why covering a rally is so difficult, because unlike a racetrack where the riders go in a loop, lap after lap, overtaking each other, which gives you an idea on who's sort of winning. But over here, you see the rider just once and then the next rider who had left after a few minutes. Whoa, that's Syed Asif Ali on his rally prep scooter. Just look at this pace, guys, it's insane. I hope my mom isn't watching this, because if she does, she'll be scandalized to know that one could do this on a scooter. I can only imagine what must be going through the racer's mind right now. Because think of it this way, if you see another rider in front of you, you're going to wonder whether you came in too fast or whether he had to slow down because of something else. In either case, you'll have to constantly think about not just your pace, but also the distance that's left and how you're going to get there in the stipulated time. This is the end of stage 2, and that looks like Shreya. Guys, she has an injury, and despite that, she's still competing. We are glad that TVS has been a part of this from so long, different forms of racing, and embracing all of them in a way that more and more manufacturers should. It's time to head back and find out what the results look like, and also maybe have a chat with the team members.
Now this is my 3rd consecutive championship win.
I never knew how a rally is, so this is the first time I'm seeing these kind of way faster than Supercross and stuff. So I had a good time and ended up winning too.
My first debut race was in Coimbatore. So at that point, it was 59 guys and I was the only girl. I'm really happy to see that like 1 year and now we have like more women coming into the sport. So there was nobody else who brought in women as a pioneer. I think they're doing a great job even in terms of circuit racing and dirt. They're pulling in a lot of women. It's a great team to be with.
So that's it then from Coimbatore. If you like what you see, then remember to support the sport.
Support the sport.
Support the sport.
Support the sport. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಂಗಂಗೆ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇರಲಿ.
Please support the sport.
Support the sport, guys!